Okay, in this video we're going to show how to exchange whatever crypto you have over to USDT BSC. So right here I go to simpleswap.io. I got my partner Chris Dawes on the line with me. So he's going to help me walk me through this. He's showing me simpleswap.io. Start off if you want to send. So I want to send my crypto that I have is USDT TRC20. So I'm going to scroll down to USDT TR20 and I want to exchange it for USDT BSC, which is the Binance Smart Chain. All right. So that right there. And I'm going to send over, what did I say? $33 there. And it'll get me $30. So I'll lose $3 in the transfer. So now we're going to go ahead and hit the exchange button. Okay. Now from here, as you see, it's set up here. I want to enter the wallet address that I want it to go to. I want it to go to my Metamask wallet here. And I want to copy this address right here. I'm going to put this address in here. All right. Then I want to enter a refund address, and just in case something goes wrong and it doesn't go through, my refund address is going to be my Exodus wallet. And my Exodus wallet is over here. And on the video, Exodus wallet. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my Exodus wallet here now, and I want to get the address here. And just in case something goes wrong, I want it to come back to this wallet here. All right, I've got that. So let me come down and paste that in here. All right, you can put your email address if you like. Then click Create an Exchange. All right, so this is my deposit address. Now I want to deposit this into my MetaMask. So I'm going to click the copy button, go back to my MetaMask, because I want to send this 33 over here to my MetaMask wallet.
Now you got to go to your Exodus.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's right. You want to send this to your Exodus wallet. All right. So let me go back.
Send it
from my Exodus wallet. From it. Right. Yeah. From. Okay. All right. So I'm going to click send. Put that wallet address in here. Paste. I'm going to be sending, what did I say, $33. All right. So I'm going to click the send button. Send. All right, success. All right, let me slide this out the way. All right, that's there. And so now
we're waiting for the process to happen.
Waiting for the process, right? Okay, it'll show up in here, right? Yep. Okay, waiting for the process to happen. Okay, now it's confirming.
Then once it's done exchanging, the company SimpleSwap will send you your $30 to MetaMask.
Okay. Yep. So that way, so that's right. So I'll show up in my MetaMask. Okay. So let it confirm. We don't know how long this process is, guys. Normally we've sent someone, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes, but it could take longer. We don't know. So just whenever it finishes, it finishes. So okay. As you can see, it finished successfully. So $33 in TRC was transferred over to my USDT and Binance Smart Chain. So it should be in my MetaMask wallet up here now. Open that up. If it opens. All right, there we go. All right. So there we go. We see it's in here because I think I had $2 or $3 in there already.
Click on it.
Click on it. Okay, click on it. It doesn't give me any history or anything. Yeah, but we know it's there. We saw it because I only had $3 in there at first. So that's how you send the money from your whatever wallet you're doing to here. That's all I need, Chris?
Yeah.